Hello everyone, welcome to Drawing for Kids. Enjoy watching and hopefully entertained. Today, we will draw and color a very delicious birthday cake. Let's go!
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Looks so good. It's time for us to color the birthday cake, friends.
Mind the music
Brown.
and the step, and with the girls be handy.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Red, brilliant blue, green, purple,
Yankee Doodle went to town
Red.
riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up,
Orange.
Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
yellow, red, blue, pink,
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a
Green.
pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
yellow,
Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind
Orange.
the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
brilliant blue, green, yellow,
Father and I went down to camp along with
Red.
Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty
Yellow.
pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up,
orange.
Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the
Hooray!
step, and
Finally, the birthday cake is done. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye.